So, SAP for beginners, moving data to S/4HANA meets the Migrate Your Data app. Implementing SAP S/4HANA means moving all your old business information, customer, vendor, materials, open orders, etc., from your old system into the new SAP system. This is called data migration. Instead of building complicated tools from scratch, SAP S/4HANA gives you a powerful built-in app called Migrate Your Data, part of the Migration Cockpit. It comes with preset ways to move common type of data. So here's a simplified step-by-step idea of how it works using the template approach. So choose what data to move. For that, I select my project, ADI, okay. In the app, you start by picking the migration object you want to work with. Okay, this one. Think of this as a category like customer, materials, open, purchase order, etc. You add this to your migration project. You add a migration object to a migration project. The first, download and fill the template. For each type of your data selected, you downloaded a specific template file. The file has columns for all the information SAP needs. You fill this file with your old data. So the first thing is to do, you click on download template. Then upload your data. You upload your data. For that, okay, I download, I complete, I fill out my file. Then I upload file. If you have previously uploaded some file, you have an history of all the files you have uploaded previously. If you reload a file exactly with the same name, you need to delete to upload because SAP say, hey, yeah, there has already have a file with the same name in the system. So delete. Then upload. Select the file, open, and then SAP gets your data ready in a temporary holding area. SAP check the information of the structures, of the general structures of uh, your file. That is in all the column of the mandatory information and respect the template. If yes, the status of your file will be data successfully transferred to staging table. So finish is good. Finish is good, but it's not enough. You need to have the finish it and data successfully transferred to staging table. So you are able to go back and wait and to wait that the instance are completely uploaded in the system. So I click on upload file. So for example, if you have the message validation failed, okay, show the message that the upload file is empty. Oh, okay, I upload the wrong file. In this case, okay, I upload again. I select this time the right file. Okay, I click on open. Okay, I upload, for example, the file in version 4 instead of the version 3. Again, you just have to look the status. That is really important. So you can see, okay, right now finish it with the status data successfully changing. Okay, I go back. Next step, prepare. Consistency, yes, prepare staging table. That means, okay, SAP check and prepares. The system does some initial checks on your upload file to make sure the structures is correct. So you upload, first control, first checks, and then prepare. Again, a new check. Again, it control, it check the structures is correct. It do not check that, for example, that the material, the plant, the GL account, the chart of account is correct. You check that the information respect the structures of your file. This check will be with the simulation. So I go to monitoring. Okay, prepare is finished. Right now, I simulate. Two options. I can simulate for random or for all instance. If I click for all instance, I start simulation. I click on monitoring. I see that the statue right now is started. Each time started, object, by, and additional information. So what about simulate? The test run. Before loading data for real, you run a simulation. SAP pretends to load the data and tells you if there are any error based on your SAP configuration. This helps you fix issue before impacting your live system. That means, again, the first check control the structure of the file. Second one is to check that all the information put into the file are correct. In my case, I've got some information about materials, GL account, company code. So SAP control that all the information put in the file match with the base S4HANA. So I go back. So if successful, that all the information are correct, right now I'm able to migrate in the real life. All instance, yes, but in your case, if you have some error, you can put only successful simulation. So start migration. You are going to migrate? Yes, I'm sure. Go. I go to monitoring. Migrate. Load data for real. If the simulation again is successful, give the command to migrate. SAP takes the data from the temporary area, applies all the mapping and rules, and loads it into your actual S4HANA tables. Why this app is great for migration? One is included with SAP S4HANA. It provides predefined template and logic for many standard data types. That is not the same thing for the LSMW. It guides you step by step through the process. The simulation steps helps catch error early. The Migrate Your Data Theory app makes the often daunting task of moving to S4HANA much more structured and manageable. So, okay, uh, migrate your data. If I go back, monitoring, show message. I've got, for example, some, okay, there is some confirmation conversion, but success. Okay, okay, some lines are not integrated correctly, but I just have a look to my table to be sure that everything is uploaded correctly. Yeah, it's great. It's perfect. So to conclude, have you used the Migration Cockpit of this theory apps? Share your experiences. Thank you so much.